Hey there, fellow streamers. If you're tired of managing multiple subscriptions and want to save some cash while accessing a ton of awesome content, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to bundle Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus into one convenient package. This bundle, known as the Disney Bundle, combines the magic of Disney's vast library, Hulu's binge-worthy shows, and ESPN Plus' live sports action, all for a fraction of the individual costs. Let's get started. First off, why should you bundle? Well, individually, these services can add up quickly. Think $7.99 for Disney Plus, $7.99 for Hulu, and $6.99 for ESPN Plus, totaling over $20 a month. But with the bundle, you could snag all three for as low as $13.99 a month, depending on the plan. That's serious savings. Plus, it's super easy to manage everything in one place. To get started, head over to the Disney Plus website or app. That's your one-stop shop for this. Step 1. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. It's quick and straightforward. Make sure you use the same email for all services to keep things linked. Next, look for the Bundles section, usually on the homepage or in the Plans menu. Select the Disney Bundle option, which includes Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus. Now, choose your plan. There are a few variations. The basic bundle with ads, or ad-free versions if you prefer uninterrupted viewing. Enter your payment details and confirm your subscription. Once you're all set, you'll get access to everything right away. Pro tip: if you already have one of these services, like Hulu, you might be able to upgrade or link it directly to save even more. One more thing. Keep an eye on your account settings to manage billing and preferences. If you run into any issues, Disney's customer support is there to help via chat or phone. There you have it. That's how you bundle Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus for maximum entertainment value. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how much you're loving it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on streaming smarter. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.